Hey everyone, this is a survival gameplay out at the NAC. The objectives of this game is to be the last surviving member. Once you spawn in, you have 1 minute grace period to get yourself set up, and during that grace period no one can shoot you. I decided to set up in a fern that matched my ghillie suit, and I had a player walk right behind me, didn't notice I was there, and took up positions in what we call the tank. At this point I got an idea. I was like, I think I saw this in a movie once.
Strong and the legend still lives on.
You out? The grenade went off inside there, bud. Didn't go inside the tank? Alright. Normally it's, if it lands inside.
So after I got out, I walked back to the tank to pick up my grenade and see where it actually landed. So you be the judge if you think this should count as a kill inside the tank or not. Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, share. Hope you enjoyed the video.